Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor. Today we're going to show you how to replace the run capacitor on your GE refrigerator. If you need to purchase a new run capacitor for your refrigerator, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. If the capacitor fails, it can cause the compressor to stop running and the refrigerator to not cool properly. If you need to test your refrigerator's run capacitor, you can check out our video that shows you how to do that. Since we will be working on the refrigerator's electrical components, disconnect the power to the refrigerator. With access to the back of the refrigerator, remove the screws holding the compressor access cover in place using a 5/16 inch nut driver. Then, slide the cover up to remove. Next, remove the clip holding the capacitor in place by pressing it in, lifting the hook up and out, lowering it to remove the lower hook, and pulling it out to remove. Then, pull the capacitor away from the start relay. If you're purchasing a new run capacitor, you want to check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the capacitor to the start relay with the retainer facing down and pressing until it seats firmly in place. Then, insert one end of the clip into the compressor bracket. Align so that it seats behind the capacitor and press to insert the other end. Next, align the access cover to the compressor compartment, being sure that the two tabs seat behind the lip and slide into place. Then, reinstall the screws. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave us a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.